Hi, so before we get started, I'd just like to ask you, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also at the end of the video, please consider give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Also, leave a comment below on ways to and suggestions and ways to improve this video moving forward. Let's go. Hi, this is Nilton from craftofprogramming.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an existing JUnit 4 test to compile and run against the Jupyter API, which is the new API in JUnit 5. So if you recall from the previous lesson, when I introduced the basic fundamental assertions in JUnit 4, I used this book DAO test. So I'm basically reusing it here. And as you can see, there are a lot of compilation problems, errors, because this IntelliJ Java project has already been, the dependencies have already changed to JUnit 5. So notice here that I already have a dependency with Jupyter API, as well as the so this is a compile time dependency, and the dependency with the engine, the Jupyter engine, is a runtime dependency, and there is also a Hamcrust library dependency here. So this is a JUnit 5 compile and runtime dependency. So we have now to convert this test to the Jupyter API. So the before class annotation has been changed to before all. The after class annotation has been changed to after all. The before annotation has been changed to before each. And the after annotation has been changed to after each. Okay? So these are basically the four fundamental changes in terms of annotations. So the ignore annotation has been changed to disabled, and it still takes a string. Let's import this. Import static method. Good, so we're almost there. Fix this. And let's continue. Let's just remove all of these annotations, as well as these annotation, and all of these imports. So we're almost there. We still have a the import here for the test annotation. Notice that all of the main annotations of main lifecycle annotations, to say, have been moved to the Jupyter API. So before all, before each, and disable, and so on. So all of these have been moved to the Jupyter API package, and all of the assertions have been moved to the Jupyter API under the assertions package as well. All of them are here. Okay. So let's continue here and see. There is only one last thing we need to do, which is the assertion argument here. If you look at the parameter, notice that the order of arguments here has changed. So the argument of the has moved to the last argument. Okay, and this is actually now a supplier, a string supplier. So let's do it as such, and that is basically that. So now we're almost there. We fixed pretty much all of the tests, all of the compilation errors. Another thing we can do is IntelliJ is actually telling us that we can make this package private. So let's basically fix everything here. So at once we made the test class a package private, as well as all of the methods, as you can see. So all of the lifecycle methods, as well as test methods, have been made package private. Okay, now that we converted the project to the Jupyter API, let's run and make sure that it still works. So as you can see, all of the test still runs, and with all of the test methods working as expected. I hope you found this video useful on how to convert a simple JUnit 4 against the Jupyter API of JUnit 5. Thanks for watching.